friends, we are super excited to be back with the third edition of the Achievers Workshop, Peak Performance and Personal Productivity. And I know you guys are waiting for it too. So in this particular Achievers Workshop, or as we call it, the Achievers Experience, you get to learn some very specific and crucial techniques which will last you your entire lifetime. Something that you can use to bring more clarity in your life and get the life you desire and deserve.
So this is Aviru Banerjee, Executive Life Coach, Career Coach and a Master Spiritual Coach, a startup serial entrepreneur with 20 years of experience in managing people, emotions, conflict management and relationship management. And this is Abhishek, who is a marketing evangelist, a person who is again a startup serial entrepreneur and also helps people to develop their careers and personal goals. So this is a workshop that's happening on 15th of September. Please note the date. It's 15th of September 2018. It'll happen in Kokharia, that's in Lee Road, 7th floor. We are there in Town Script, so please register for this workshop. By the way, Abhishek, I mean, do people will come to have a lot of motivation in this workshop? Is this a motivational workshop? What is exactly it is?
Absolutely not. I will repeat, absolutely not. This is not a motivational workshop.
Okay, what it is?
Motivational workshop, we get to see a lot of motivational videos, a lot of people talking about motivation online, offline. We get to attend seminars, concerts, but how long do they last? Do they last for your entire lifetime or do they last for a few hours?
The last one I attended, that was really for one of a very well-known speaker. It lasted me around 6 hours.
Just 6 hours?
Yes, after I had my dinner, it was all gone.
Yeah. So basically this is not a motivational workshop because we know motivation doesn't last for your lifetime. So here in this workshop, we teach you very specific techniques which you can use for your entire lifetime. So you learn once. See, we do not believe that you learn the same thing again and again. So we tell you, these are the things, these are very specific key things that you learn. Use these techniques and you can use it for a lifetime to get the life you desire, channel your energy in the way that you want to go and create the impact that you want, be it in your personal lives or your professional lives. So Aviru, what are the three key takeaways or the specific takeaways that are there from the workshop that people can expect?
Right. So in this 3 hours, if not anything else, we promise that at least you will have 3 key things to take away. Okay. Number 1, how would you get 2 hours extra every day? So that's like 26 hours in your 24 hours.
That's something that, how do you get 26 hours out of 24 hours?
Yeah, so for that they need to attend that workshop.
Okay.
So that's the technique. I mean, it's been talking about techniques, so we'll share the technique and the tool, how you can do that in the 24 hours, how can you get that 2 hours for yourself. Number 2, and this is very important, I personally, this is very important, how would you do things which you love to do and has been in the back burner for so long?
Hey, I bought a DSLR long time back, around 6 years back.
And what do you do with that DSLR now?
It's gathering dust mostly, and I take it for servicing. It comes back and then it's gone.
Right. And there are people I know who have bought guitars and have learned from YouTube for 6 months, and it's just lying there. You know, and how many people I know who are grinding in their professionals. They're working, planning for vacations and cancelling,
So, what do you think is the reason for that?
I think it is about the technique to know how to balance the life, and that is the third key takeaway. How we balance the expectation from our lives, which is very important because see, in our lives we play number of roles. We are a father, we are a parent, we are a son, we are a husband, we are a teacher, we are a manager, we are a worker. We are an entrepreneur, and I've heard a lot of entrepreneurs, even sharing on Facebook that, my girlfriend doesn't understand what I'm going through. Relationship issues, outcome. I mean, this is the expectation management, and we guarantee you that with this tool, and it's not a motivational workshop, it's not anything else but the tools and the technique that is there in the Achievers Playbook, which will help you for your entire life, how you can structure and live the life that you desire and deserve.
Yes. So we wish to see you guys on 15th of September, 4 p.m. onwards at Lee Road, 7th floor, Co-Career Working Space. And if you have not yet registered till now, we have just a couple of seats left. So you can go over to Townscript, take your passes right away and meet us there, and you can learn the specific techniques to make your life a brilliant success. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. See you there.